Hello students, welcome to the Learn Floral Painting course. This course on floral painting is for those who want to learn painting and have an interest for arts. Why should you take this course? In this course, you will learn to paint different kinds of flowers from the beginning to the end, that is, starting from drawing the flower's outline to painting the entire picture. We have covered the drawing and painting principles using gentle strokes and shades of the colors. By following through each lecture, you will be able to start from drawing the picture, paint the flowers and leaves with gentle strokes, and make the painting into a beautiful scenery. Get your paints, brushes, and palette ready. We are here to guide you through your painting journey. Who is this course for? This course is for students who want to learn basics of painting easily and go to the advanced levels. This course is also for anyone who has a passion for arts and painting. Even if students have no knowledge at all about painting, they can learn from this course. Students should have acrylic paints or fabric paints ready along with white papers and paint brushes for painting. What will you get by taking this course? Most importantly, you will learn about floral painting. You will be able to understand the concepts for drawing flowers, stems, and leaves using paints. You'll be able to create an entire painting within short amount of time. You will learn how to make the painting look beautiful and scenic. You will master shading by mixing different colors, and you will learn the art of brush strokes. So, let's start the course on floral painting. Happy painting!